Welcome back to episode 53. Before I take the car for its first tune-up, there's one more job that I want to do. I'm not sure if I originally fitted the mush dash and the grille correctly, but when I removed the grille, the mush dash comes away too, and with it being an aftermarket part on a car that it wasn't really designed to fit on, I seem to keep scratching the paint when I'm trying to manipulate it to fit every time I remove it and put it back on. I also styled the car around the old heritage races and noticed that some had the grille buttons fitted for quick removal and for easy access purposes. So what I want to do is have the mush dash fitted independently of the grille and secured at the sides with the screws that are already fitted, and have the option of the grille being quick release. I can do this by fitting the grille buttons and also securing the two pieces together at the top with the captive screws that Dennis fitted. This will hold things securely, and if I need the grille to be quick release for a particular occasion, I can just remove the two captive screws and just have the grille held on by the buttons. So it's sort of the best of both worlds. That should also help make the tuner's job a little easier, as it's quite a struggle getting to the distributor with a grille on. So I can take the top two screws off before I go, and all the tuner needs to do then is undo the grille buttons and pop off the grille. The button kit I'm fitting I bought from Minisport a couple of months back. There are a few different kits, but I opted for the one I thought would best suit the car and best suit my budget. Now I know this is a cliche, but when I make the videos they really are just a way of having my own personal record of events, and they aren't really designed to be tutorials. The reason I say that on this occasion is that I literally have no idea if what I'm about to do is the correct way to install the grille buttons. I've never seen it done before, so this could be completely wrong, and I wouldn't want anyone copying what I've done only to find later on that it's not correct. I know what I'm about to do will work, but it may not be the best way it's supposed to be fitted. Anyway, that being said, first thing for me to do was to remove the grille so that I could fit the mustache on independently. With the screws in place, the mush dash is a pretty secure fit. I checked the grille still lined up properly and then fastened it to the mush dash using just the two top screws to line everything up ready for marking out. There were already a couple of holes in the grille that I was hoping to use, but when I transferred the holes to the car I noticed that behind the marks there would be an issue with the nut placement due to how the panels were made, so I needed to shift the holes over about 15mm and drill new holes into the grille. I'm not sure if it helps or not, but I put copper grease on the bolt and in the hope that it will prevent rust forming. I was thinking of just using touch-up paint, but I thought it'd be a waste of time because it might just scratch off when the bolt goes in anyway. Once the bolts were tight, I aligned them up by tapping them with a rubber mallet. The grille fitted on really well, so I screwed on the buttons to hold it in place, but I also fitted the two captive screws for added security. If I need the grille to be quick release, I can remove the captive screws and just have the grille fastened with the buttons, and vice versa. If I don't need it to be quick release, I'll leave the captive screws in place. But either way, the mush dash remains in place now when the grille's removed. So overall I'm quite happy with the setup. Now all I've got to do is book the car in with the tuners.